We are one, came to fight us. Let them come and try us. We gon' stand together. Put our hands together. We are one, came to fight us.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for tuning in. Today is a somber day. It is the 9th of July and I tested positive for COVID-19 today. How do I feel? Sad. I cried the whole way back home and yeah, but it's all good. So I figured, you know what, let me just document my COVID experience. There's just so many thoughts going through my mind, you know. I'm just thinking about I think for me, I'm more saddened and worried about the people that I could have potentially exposed, my family especially. But it's all good. It's all good. I'll be fine, and I'll just take you guys with me on this experience. My dad went to get me some medication, and he's brought it here, so I'll be taking that, and then I'm just gonna sleep because I have a bit of a headache, but the headache is probably just stress related because, like I said, I cried the whole way back, and yeah, it's just a lot. It's just a lot, but God is good all the time, and all the time God is good. So I really don't have much to say. I'm just gonna take my meds and just chill and then sleep. And yeah, I'm still in shock and I'm really sad, but it is well. It is well. It is well. Morning, day 2. I think it's around 6:30 or 7, somewhere there. I slept okay. I slept fine. Okay. I don't feel fluish at all. I do have sniffles, whatever, but other than that, I'm good. I'm fine. Yeah. I really don't have much to say today. I'll probably just not like I have a choice. I'll just be sitting here. I have a coloring book, my Bible, and I'll also probably just like write some stuff, like type stuff that I've been putting off for a while, and yeah. Honestly, I'm fine. I am fine. There's no more fear and anxiety. I'm just taking each day as it goes. So yeah, it's all good in the hood so far. Yeah. Let's see how today goes. This is my bowl of porridge. After I finish that, I'm gonna take my meds, and then I'll have a after that I'll have a cup of Pro-Core, which is our Herbalife supplement. It's like an immune booster. It's really high in vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc, and selenium. So I'll have that, add a little bit of aloe in it, and then yeah, I'll take my meds and I'll be good. I have a little bit of a headache, but I think I'll be fine after I take the paracetamol. It'll help with that. But yeah, so yeah, guys, yeah, but I'm fine. I'm fine. one thing about me, I will definitely dance to the rhythm of my own beat. There's no music playing, except Nemes's music. But I'm out here dancing off the negative energy and whatever, having oranges. I want to actually take a nap and just rest. And then when I wake up, I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's not like I'm going anywhere. So also, I'm sorry for the bad angle. I can't find my tripod, and I'm really not. I'm not trying to like set up anything. So yeah, just an update. What time is it? What time is it? It's summertime. It's 12 o'clock. Yeah. Alright. Happy Saturday. Ooh. Wow. Mara, get happy, guys. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Kishab. I promise. I'm not just saying that, but I do feel fine. But then again, you're not happy. No, I am fine in Jesus' name. I'm fine. Hey, Mara, guys. Tota hela nna tota, guys. Ke montle. Ntimhle. Like, I'm gorgeous and beautiful. I'm really beautiful. Like I'm actually beautiful, guys. You should tell yourself that all the time and actually believe it. So that when people try and come at you sideways and they try and make you believe, hooray, you're anything but what you know you are, it doesn't faze you. And it's just like, okay, that's your opinion. Minna, I know whoever. The one who created me did a great job. And honestly, it would be such an insult believing the lies of the enemy, trying to make me believe that I'm ugly and I'm not pretty enough or whatever, you know? So yeah, I know I'm beautiful, and I am not being arrogant about it, but I'm affirming myself. That's what I'm doing. Anyway, I get the how do a motivational what. I'll just say, hey guys, and updating you guys. Let me finish my oranges and then rest. Hey guys, day 3 is not very pleasant. I'm watching the service though. Watching the service. Yeah, and then I'm about to have my bowl of porridge. And then I'll have my medication. And I really hope you guys can hear me. I'm not gonna take off my mask though. I can't talk about my skin though. Y'all. Anyway, yeah, today's not a good day. I have a cough, I have a stuffy nose, and yeah, I just don't feel good, but I'll be fine, I'm sure. I'm just gonna eat, and then I'll take my medication, and I'll have my cough syrup as well, because kids can send me the cough syrup, because I didn't need it. So yeah, but I'll take it today, and then I will rest for the rest of the day. that Pussycat Dolls song. I hate this part right here. Yeah. But through my ears are just like doing the most. So yeah. I have to take my medication. I have antibiotics. I have to take antibiotics. I have to take something that is like a an allergy relief, but like it's more for like runny nose and sneezing and stuff like that. And then this one, I forgot what this little one is for, but it's another one that I have to take. And then I have the cough syrup as well, which I haven't been taking because I didn't need it. But today I'm going to be taking it. I feel like there's something else that I'm forgetting. Oh, I also had paracetamol. But I'm just taking it when necessary, so I don't need it. The past 2 days I've had to take it because I had headaches and such. So it was helping with that. So yeah. Let me take these. What I like about this is that I only take these once a day. Did another day? Yesterday I have. Okay, so today I'm taking four of the antibiotics. You're not gonna be able to see, but yeah, the antibiotics. Okay, I hate taking pills. Plus they taste horrible. Ugh, this tastes so bad. I don't have anything to like wash it down with. Ugh. I absolutely hate this. Okay, and then the second one that I have to take, I take one. This is what it looks like. Right there. Alright. Oh great, that one just went straight to the back of my, yeah, whatchamacall. Oh, this tastes horrible. Oh gosh. And then this little one again, another little one. Let me see if I can, yeah. Okay, so we're done with the pills. Now I'll take cough syrup. Okay, so the cough syrup, I can show you guys the cough syrup because it's a popular one. Alcophylix cough syrup. Yeah. Ish. I think after this I'm just gonna go and sit outside actually. I think so. This is the crustiest that you guys have ever. What is that? Oh, it's on my blanket. Oh, I was wondering what that was. Well, my skin is agreeing with me. It's doing the most. I think it must be that the steaming is helping. Ish, I don't have this. Oh, there we go, thank you. Okay, how much do I take? 10 milliliters. Let's shake that a little bit more. So I steam with eucalyptus oil, and that's that. Yeah. Oh, flip. Got it all over my sheets. And that's that with the medication. Ugh. Oh, guys. Yeah. But I think going outside, getting some fresh air, and just leaving the room and just, will do me some good. Shout out to my family for taking care of me, my dad, so, I'm just really grateful. I'm really, really, really grateful. I don't know how, like Namit and I were talking about how do people who live in a one-room situation handle stuff like this? Like, how do you work around it? Because you can't isolate in such an environment, especially if that's all you have, So I'm really grateful. I don't take this for granted, and I think actually I'll talk a little bit more about this in maybe my sit down video. I think I've come to realize that there's so much more that needs to be done in terms of supporting people who have COVID. We could still do a really good job at just supporting people who have tested positive for COVID. There's still so much that needs to be done. There's so much that goes into it. Okay, let me put this down so that I can breathe and such. Okay. I don't know if you can hear me, but day 4 starting off on a not so good foot. I'm having really bad sore throat, and so I just woke up. I'm gonna have my porridge and have my medication, drink what needs to be. I need to drink the same routine, and then I will steam. And I don't want to talk too much because it's just a lot. So but I slept really well. I slept through the night, so I'm very glad about that. So that's how day 4 is starting off. As usual, I have my porridge now. So let me eat, and then I'll talk to you guys later. Hi again. Okay, I'm feeling much better. You can even just see I've eaten, I've had my meds. I also just had the usual motswako, lemon, ginger, honey, all that jazz. And then I also just had some strepsils. Anyway, so I'm feeling better. The sore throat is, I don't feel that much pain anymore, thank God. So I think I'm just gonna chill a little bit, and then in a couple of minutes I'll just go outside and go and sit outside and get some air, get some vitamin D, and just we're doing this thing, we're fighting this thing. I honestly never thought that. Okay, let me take this call. I'll be back. Hello? Okay. Nigga. Oh yeah. I never thought that I would ever. God, I never thought that I would ever test positive that I'd ever just catch COVID. Like, I never thought. But the way I'm just so careful, like, it's so crazy. And it just made me realize, well, honestly, with this, oh, you not sit like that. Yeah, having shortness of breath. Girl. Hold on. Okay. So, yeah, like I was saying, I'm just like, I'm the most careful person ever. Like, I'm so careful. And I just never thought that I would have COVID at any point. Like, I never thought. But I'm grateful that God is just, showing himself mighty as usual. He's doing what he does best. He's keeping me safe. He's keeping me protected. And I'm really grateful. So, all is well. All is well. All is well. All is well. I'm just ready to be okay and be done, and just from here, like, once gets on my isolation in, guys, I'm honestly I'm not gonna take things lightly anymore. I've got so many things that I've wanted to do that I feel like this time that this break that I'm on, I need to just sit down and properly think about them, so that once I'm out of here and I'm fully recovered, I can just literally just run with them. I think, guys, y'all need to just take care of yourselves. For real. This thing, no matter how careful you can be, it's, I don't want to make it, anybody can get it, but just take care of yourselves. I think I'm now at a point where I'm just like, I need to take care of my mental state. I need to take care of myself physically. I need to take care of myself and just really be intentional about that. Not just lip service, Hella, just saying it, Hella. But I actually need to put in the work and do what needs to be done. So that stupid isolation. Kunzima, guys. But we can fight this and we can do this, and we're gonna make it out of this. Hella, COVID ain't got nothing on us. It ain't got none on us. Okay, guys, no, but anyway, let me, yeah, stop. I can feel a cough wanting to creep up on me, because so yeah, let me not do that. Mara, my skin, it's honestly the steaming, guys. Like, steaming is everything. Literally, I've only been steaming. And guysing, yo. All right, I'll check in with you guys later. Hey guys, it is lunchtime. It's actually 2 o'clock. So I ordered some food. Ma? So Namma, give me a one. So I ordered food from Lala Bites. I will link her Instagram page in the description box. Please do try them out. So today on the menu, I actually didn't take before, but I'll insert the snap that I posted. I'll insert that right here. So let me show you guys. Okay, I've already mixed it up, but it's a grilled chicken burrito bowl. It has rice, brown rice, grilled chicken. There's avo in there. We have black beans. Are these black beans already? Yeah, black beans. Some lettuce, cherry tomatoes, corn, and yeah, it's super good. I'm watching Gomorrah as well. This is so good. Honestly, Lala never ever disappoints. Like, I love the food. I love that they deliver on time. Service delivery amazing. It's just, I love it tastes so good, and it has like a nice little spicy and a nice kick to it. It's really nice. Number one. So yeah, check them out, please. Show them some love. Order your food. Support her business. They have really healthy food options that are still very nice, and I cannot complain about this. I love it. It actually reminds me of a meal that I used to have all the time when I was in when I was in Montreal. Yeah, when I was in Montreal, I used to get a burrito bowl all the time. Like, literally every day I would have that and have a green smoothie. So this just takes me back. So I'm really happy. I was so excited when I saw it on the menu for this week. So yeah, let me continue eating, enjoy my food. I'm loving it here. Hey guys, I guess this is, yeah, I haven't vlogged in the past couple of days. I just didn't have it in me. It was, my mood was just on and off, because hey, I don't know what's going on, but my mood has just been up and down, up and down, up and down. It's just been a lot, and I just did not feel like vlogging. But it is day 8. I'm having oranges right now. I just had a cup of coffee. I think I want to have another cup of coffee actually. Having slight discomfort, just my body just feels a bit weird. I don't know. Like, I don't know, like I feel like I just feel sensitive. Like my body just feels sensitive, like sensitive to touch. It's so weird. And also I have a bit of a cough. I think I'm gonna take some cough syrup. And I also have a headache, like right here. And yeah, so I'm gonna take some cough syrup. I'm gonna take some paracetamol to help me with that, and then I think I should be all right. So like I was saying, I'm having oranges right now, and my mouth is literally just like a burning. Like, oh my gosh, it's even red. Like, I don't even know what's happening. Like, like, I don't know. It stings. Like, I don't know. I try to apply Vaseline. It's kind of like a coating or something. It's not working, but hey, it doesn't feel nice. It does not feel nice at all. Like, my tongue feels super sensitive. My mouth just feels super sensitive. My lips, like the corners of my lips, just feel, it's a lot. But other than that, I'm okay. I'm good. I'm good. So I just thought I should update you guys. What else? What can I say? Apart from the headache and the sudden just like muscles feeling I don't even know if I should say it's my muscles hurting or what, but it's just, I've been okay. I'm okay. I'm fine. My mood, like, I'm up and down. I believe that the temperature, the weather outside is, it's a little less chilly, so I think I'll just go outside maybe for like 5-10 minutes, just to get some fresh air and such, and yeah, and then I'll come back. And I actually feel like I feel like just changing and like dressing up today. I don't know, maybe it'll make me feel better, and it will kind of boost my mood a little bit. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm sorry guys if I just keep touching my face like this, but this head is like, my head is aching. Like, it feels like Makai Mabuku. Like, it feels like, yeah, but I'm okay. I'm good. I'm good. We're almost at the end, guys. You know that famous TikToker? The Ndinhle bottom line girl? I love her. She's just the ultimate confidence boost. Like, when I'm feeling some type of way, I have to go to her videos, because I've never seen someone who is just so confident and just oozes confidence, and it's just like, you know what? Ndinhle? Whatever you guys say, whatever you say, like, regardless. Ndinhle. Anyway. Ew. Alright. This was just a check-in. Also, I've been craving pizza and chicken chow mein, and nobody seems to want to get it for me. So I'm actually really upset. Mabane, I wanted, like, I was craving it, and the only thing I could have was sap and beans. And I had to, mind over matter it, because that's what we've been taught, like, on set, mind over matter. So I was just kind of like visualizing and manifesting, the chow mein and the pizza, law of attraction, I guess, I don't know. And I'm still hopeful that I'll get my chow mein or pizza or both. Yeah, but until then, okay, now my lips are starting to like cool down a bit. We'll go back. Hey, let's hope that this whole Hochachama thing and is a sign that, something is being fixed or whatever. Nah, easy guys. Hey, but anyway, this is my check-in for today. I don't think I'm gonna vlog anymore. This is gonna be, this is it for today, for day 8. The other one tomorrow. And look at the clouds. I'm just chilling outside. I feel like they look just so beautiful. It feels nice to be outside and just Hi guys! 10 days done! We survived COVID. I'm so happy. I'm about to head out now to go and get my clearance. The lighting is just a bit much. Okay, there we go, that's better. So we are heading out now. I'm gonna go and get my clearance at the clinic. But yay guys, we made it. I'm so happy. I feel so good. I feel so happy. I'm so grateful. I'm so excited. Guys, we actually did it. We made it. Like, God is so good. But yeah, I guess this is gonna be the last clip that I'm gonna have, because this vlog has been very long. But yeah, thank you guys for following me on this. Thank you guys for following me on this experience, this COVID experience. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. enjoyed following me. That was the longest 10 days of my life. I do not wish that upon anybody's daughter or son. Yo, I will. Oh, but yay, we did it! Yay!